to my channel. Today's video will be yet another hair video. I know y'all love these, so I'm taking this client wig that I've made and I'm going to be customizing it. So we're going from this to this. Baby hairs and all, y'all. I'm going to show y'all how to do it. So she has provided me with a 3-part closure. I'm just going to go ahead and section off all 3 parts, the left side, right side, and the middle part, and then we're going to go ahead and start plucking. So I'm using any regular tweezer. Any one you have is completely fine, and I use that line that the closure already has as a guideline for where to pluck. So I'm not ripping out any hairs with my fingers or anything. I'm literally just using that line and I'm plucking away from that hairline to make it a little bit wider and create a more natural part for the hair. Over time, I've learned to not pluck in the same section when plucking a closure or a frontal because it does create bald spots. So moving around and maneuvering your tweezer does create the perfect hairline or parting that you want. So now that we have all 3 parts of this closure plucked, some people do like to leave it this way, but I like to take the extra step and go in and make it a little bit more natural, guys, because wearing a wig shouldn't look wiggy. It should look natural by all means. So I'm just parting off the front part of the closure, a very thin layer of hair, and then I'm just going to pluck backwards. Again, moving around in different sections, not creating any bald spots, just to create a really nice hairline. Right here I'm showing you guys the difference between the side that I've customized and the original side of the closure. This is how it should look when it's all done. So I went ahead and straightened out the hair, but my trick to getting the closure to lay super flat is a hot comb, guys. This is an electrical hot comb. I ordered it off of Amazon. So I literally just run this through the entire closure. I part off different sections and I just make it super duper flat, and this is how it looks when it's all done. So beautiful, so flat, so natural, so natural. This is literally the perfect tool to get your closure to lay super flat. So my client did request baby hairs for her closure wig, and that's what we're about to do. I'm just separating a thin piece of hair out in the front again as done previously, and I'm taking my hair scissors and trimming down the hair a little bit shorter. So I do use mousse or wrapping foam in other terms to mold my baby hairs down, and I'm taking my rat tail comb to form them. to lock those hairs in place, I use a satin hair wrap around the perimeter and I'm blow drying the baby hairs on low heat. And here's the final product of this wig transformation, you guys. It was a little hard to film, but I think I did a pretty decent job. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.